4.4 9th इंग्लिश द टेम्पेस्ट या लेसनचा संपूर्ण वर्कशॉप आपण बघणार आहोत. चला सुरू करूया. क्वेश्चन 1. राईट डाऊन द रिलेशन बिटवीन द कॅरेक्टर्स गिवन बिलो. आपल्याला खाली काही कॅरेक्टर्स दिलेले आहे, त्यांचे नातेसंबंध आपल्याला लिहायचे आहे. तर चला आपण आन्सर लिहून घेऊया. प्रॉस्पेरो अँड मिरांडा. आन्सर फादर अँड डॉटर. बी. Prospero and Antonio. Answer brothers. C. Gonzalo and Prospero. Answer Lord and Duke. D. Sycorax and Caliban. Answer mother and son. E. Alonso and Sebastian. Answer brothers. Question A. Alonso and Ferdinand. Answer father and son. Next, question number 2. Find two supporting points from the passage to prove the following facts. 1. Antonio was a disloyal and dangerous man. Answer. He wanted to become Duke of Milan in his brother's place. B. Antonio wouldn't have hesitated to kill his brother Prospero. Then, next question number 2. Gonzalo was loyal to the rightful duke. Answer. Among Prospero's courtiers was a true loyal lord called Gonzalo. B. Out of love and loyalty for the rightful duke, he had secretly placed in the boat fresh water, food, and clothes. Along with them, Prospero's most valued possession, his books. Question number 3. Prospero was a great magician. Answer. Prospero was a great magician, for his life had been devoted to the study of magic. B. The power of his art enabled him to set free the inspired spirits, of whom Ariel was the chief. 4. Miranda was very kind-hearted. Answer A. Miranda, a kind-hearted girl, begged her father to have pity on the people caught in the storm. B. Please quell the storm now. Save the poor souls on board, she requested her father. Question 5. Ariel was very faithful to Prospero. Answer. Ariel appeared before Prospero to give an account of the storm. B. He gave lively story of the fears of the sailors, the anxiety of the lords, and how Prince Ferdinand had leaped into the sea. 6. The story. The Tempest has a happy ending. Answer. Prospero was happy and pleased to be back in Milan and forgave his old enemies who had wronged him cruelly. B. Even though they had been at mercy, he did not take revenge on them, but very nobly forgave them. Next, question number 3. Who said to whom and when? 1. And you shall be my queen. Answer. Ferdinand said to Miranda when he fell in love with Miranda. Follow me, I shall tie you up. Answer. Prospero said to Ferdinand when he pretended to be angry. Please quell the storm now. Answer. Miranda said to her father when she saw the ship struggling on the wild waves. I have served you faithfully all these years. Answer. Ariel said to Prospero when Prospero told Ariel to bring Ferdinand at once. Next. I have been duly punished for my sins. Answer. Alonso said to Prospero when he realized that he had lost his son. Next, what I have done now is in your interest. Answer. Prospero told Miranda when she requested him to quell the storm. Next, most sure she is goddess of the island. Answer. Ferdinand said to himself when he saw Miranda on the isolated island for the first time. Next, question number 4. Match the paragraphs column A with their suitable titles in column B. Only the first and last word of the paragraph are given column A. Identify it. ओके, तर आपल्याला याचा आन्सर आपण इथं लिहून घेतलेला आहे. तर वन आहे बघा. नाव अँटोनियो वॉज treacherous man, its wealth and power. Answer Prospero loses his dukedom. Second, in the wood nearby, Prospero his task properly. Answer Calibian serves Prospero. 3. Knowing that his enemies were near, all people on board. Answer Prospero creates a storm. 4. Having narrated this story, Prospero down with the ship. Answer Ariel reports about the storm. 5. Many more tricks did Ariel play. Touch the food. Answer the mischievous spirit. 6. Thus, after many years, very nobly forgive them. Answer Milliam welcomes Prospero's return. अशा पद्धतीने आपण द टेम्पेस्ट या लेसनचा संपूर्ण वर्कशॉप आपण पूर्ण केलेला आहे. काही अडचण असल्यास आपण कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट करू शकता. धन्यवाद.